Welcome back to Power Sports Garage. We just got our 2013 Scion FRS back from the dealership. It had a faulty high pressure fuel pump after only 3,500 miles of driving. It also had a dry rotted driver's side door seal because it sat on the dealership lot for 3 years. And the brakes are pretty spongy, but they said they couldn't find anything wrong. But at least they replaced the fuel pump. In fact, I told them that it's very common for the fuel pump to start chirping and go bad. And they're like, oh, no, we never heard of that. And they're like, there's not even a new part number or anything. So they order the fuel pump, it comes in a day later, and, what do you know, the fuel pump they get from Scion is a completely different pump, completely redone, and they even had to wait another day and order a new fuel line that had completely different fittings to fit the new pump, even though Scion never changed the part number. And that is because Scion did not want to recall their cars even though they knew they had a faulty fuel pump. So I had my car in the dealership for 4 straight days because my freaking fuel pump was defective. It was a lemon, and Scion didn't have the courage or the decency or the ethics to recall their vehicle and to replace the fuel pump, which they knew was faulty. So any person that has a Scion FRS that hears a chirping noise or a squeaking noise, and replacing the fan belt doesn't stop that noise, then the answer is your fuel pump is bad and you better take it in before the warranty runs out. And you know what? It's going to keep going bad unless they give you that upgraded one. So when they order a new fuel pump, make sure they also order the new fuel line, which has the different fittings for the upgraded or remanufactured pump, or not remanufactured, redesigned pump, or however you want to say it. Either way, Scion tried to screw their owners, and they're not getting away with it on my YouTube channel. So you guys, be careful of that and drive safe.